Hi beloved! This is Doc Gilbert and ito yung part 3 kung bakit nga ba may corrupt leaders. So, can a corrupt leader ever change? No, yan ang malaking katanungan ng karamihan. And when we look at the research, in reality, napakababa ng percentage na ang mga taong nagsasuffer with narcissistic personality ay talagang magbabago. Kasi malaking part ng characteristics sila ay hindi nila nakikita na may mali sa pagkatao nila. And of course, may ilan-ilan na talagang nag-decide magbago, hinarap nila yung trauma nila, at of course, itong mga taong ito ay nakaranas ng matitinding consequence sa buhay nila that led them na finally say, okay, I need to change. Pero in reality, based also in my counseling experience and studies, napakadalang talaga sadly. Pero pwede yun ma-prevent na ma-build or ma-develop yung narcissistic personality na kung itong taong ito as early as he or she can, would receive help, in counseling, in therapy, para ma-process yung mga abuse, yung trauma na pinanggagalingan itong personality na to, then change and healing is possible. And corruption, it's not just politics, no, but when we look at it, it's purely psychological, spiritual, when we look at the holistic perspective nitong malaking issue na ito. And so imagine, what if yung nation natin would be led by healed hearts, ng mga taong nakaranas ng healing, na mayroong wholeness sa pagkatao nila. Imagine a nation being led by these people. And, I can surely say that healing and wholeness would make someone a better leader. And that's our hope. That's what we long for. And it will begin by starting with ourselves, by dealing with our own trauma, by going through the process of our own healing. So yun lang, hope to share more with you, some psychological and educating facts. And see you soon again, beloved!